Welcome to Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, lesson 11. So we have 4 singular pronouns here. Talking about myself. Ii means me. Ize, you. Ramha, him. And agamha, her. So to review from our last lesson, I'm happy, wagatsanuni. You're happy, satsanuni. Kaya dio, satsanuni ka?
Ha, wagatsanuni. And when looking at a male, you would use the ro pronoun. So, hey giraksaa, look at this boy. Rotsanuni ka? Is he happy?
Ha, rotsanuni. Yes, he's happy.
And for the female, you would use the yago pronoun. Yagotsanuni. Hey gieksaa, look at this girl. Yagotsanuni ka?
Ha, yagotsanuni. Then to say I'm angry, I'm mad, wagenakwa. Or you're angry, you're mad, zanakwa. Kaya dio, zanakwa ka?
Ha, wagenakwa. And then for a male, you would use the ro pronoun again, and you would say ronakwa. Hey giraksaa, ronakwa ka? Hey, look at this boy, is he mad?
Ha, ronakwa.
And for a female, again you would use the yago pronoun. Yagonakwa. She is mad. Hey giaksaa, yagonakwa ka?
Ha, yagonakwa. And then to say I'm sad, wagetnigo raksas. You're sad, zatnigo raksas. Kaya dio, zatnigo raksas ka?
Ha, wagetnigo raksas. And then for a male, you would use the ro pronoun once again, and you would say rotnigo raksas. He is sad. Hey, zatkato giraksaa. Rotnigo raksas ka? Hey, look at this boy. Is he sad?
Ha, rotnigo raksas.
And then for a female, once again, you would use the yago pronoun. Yagotnigo raksas. She is sad. Hey, zatkato giraksaa are. Look at this girl again. Yagotnigo raksas ka? Is she sad?
Ha, yagotnigo raksas. Now we're to look at the word to be ill, to be sick, to not feel well. So me now changes to gun. So I gunhaksa or ize sunhaksa. Kaya dio sunhaksa ka?
Ha, gunhaksa. And then for a boy or a male, it's gonna be runhaksa. He is sick or ill. Hey giraksaa, runhaksa ka? Look at this boy, is he sick?
Ha, runhaksa.
Hey giaksaa, yagunhaksa ka? Look at this girl, is she sick?
Ha, yagunhaksa. And now to talk about to be sleepy. I'm sleepy. What gezerotteras? You're sleepy. Sazerotteras. Kaya dio, sazerotteras ka?
Ha, wagezerotteras. And then for a boy or a man, again, you would use the ro pronoun. Rozerotteras. He is sleepy. Hey giraksaa, rozerotteras ka?
Ha, rozerotteras.
And then for a female, your pronoun is yago. Yagozerotteras. She is tired or she is sleepy. Hey giaksaa, yagozerotteras ka?
Ha, yagozerotteras. And now we're going to talk about being physically tired. I'm physically tired. Dewa kwisaheyu. And you're physically tired. Dezahwisaheyu. The word starts with de, so we keep the de in the beginning, and our pronoun comes after the de. So I'm tired. I'm physically tired. Dewa kwisaheyu. You're physically tired. Dezahwisaheyu.
And for a male, you would say dehohwisaheyu. Here we have H-O instead of R-O, like in rotsanuni. The reason is because of this de in the beginning. So the R turns into a H. Dehohwisaheyu. Hey giraksaa, dehohwisaheyu ka? Look at this boy. Is he physically tired?
Ha, dehohwisaheyu.
And for a female, your pronoun is still yago. Deagohwisaheyu. She is tired. Hey sa'a, de ago huisa heyuga. Look at this girl. Is she tired?
Ha, de go huisa heyu. Nyawazi was a wadaroroges Kanien'keha.
What's the zidwadatka?
Oniy.
Oniy.